Bricsys 24/7 is a construction information viewing, markup, and exchange cloud platform without complication. Bricsys 24/7 gives you unlimited role-based users, making it easier than ever to get the right data to the right people. Simply add a user to a project, give them a role and permissions, send an invitation, and they can log in and start working. No tracking named users or license seats or entitlements. You have customizable metadata for easier searching and filtering, access to revisions and automated workflow processes to manage project changes as quickly and efficiently as possible. You have a built-in viewer that allows native viewing of over 70 file formats, including DWG, PDF, and 3D formats. No downloads required. With Bricsys 24/7, you have the tools to reduce errors and rework, action requests in a timely manner, and avoid disputes with a full audit trail, whether for individual documents, tasks, or individual users.